Hello friends, welcome back to the one new video guys in my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone setting guys, and today video title guys, what is dial pad tone and how to on and use on Infinix phone. Friends, you don't know about dial pad tone, so guys how to on and how to use dial pad tone today friends I am going to show you in this video guys. So first of all guys, we will on guys our Infinix phone setting guys. So after on phone setting friends, you can see this type of interface. So friends, click on guys here Infinix phone sound and vibration setting. After on sound and vibration guys, scroll it. Friends, vibrate for call setting guys, you want to on. So guys, you can on your vibrate for calls from here. Friends, you want to use your do not disturb setting. So friends, you can on your do not disturb from here. Friends, phone ringtone, notification ringtone sound, alarm sound you can set and you can change from here. Friends, you can see other sound and vibration means system sound setting. Dial pad tone first, where we will on guys your dial pad page friends. And guys, now we will enter number guys here. So as number guys we will enter. So friends, you can see when you will enter any number, this sound is dial pad sound. And guys, you don't want to use the dial pad sound guys, again guys, open your phone setting, on guys your search bar, and guys search here guys dial pad. Friends, you can see dial pad guys, we will search here and we will click here direct. Friends, you can off. After off guys, again guys click on guys your dial pad. So friends, you can see without any sound guys we can enter number and we can call. So guys, we call it dial pad tone, and we can on dial pad tone on Infinix phone and we can off. So I hope fans you understood how to on and use dial pad tone on Infinix phone. Hence you want to use screen lock sound, charging sound, phone touch sound, touch vibration sound, so you can on and you can off from here. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope fans you understood how to on and use dial pad on Infinix phone. So bye guys.